In a world ruled by chaos and credit cards, one villain is quietly destroying your peace of mind. But when darkness rises, a new hero emerges. Captain Cashflow, defender of your dollars. DebtZilla whispers lies, buy now, pay later, you deserve it. Just one more swipe. Each swipe grows the monster. Interest adds fuel to the fire. And soon, you're trapped. But Captain Cashflow has tools, the budget beam, the emergency fund belt, and the legendary compound shield. With one blast from the budget beam, overspending gets zapped, and DebtZilla stumbles. But DebtZilla fights back, tempting you with sales and instant gratification. Captain Cashflow activates his emergency fund belt, avoiding the trap of borrowing. His compound shield grows stronger. Every dollar invested multiplies in secret. The monster shrinks. Budgeting and saving are crushing his grip. Penny the Planner arrives with a master plan to crush DebtZilla for good. They launch the final attack, pay yourself first, and destroy the debt. Peace returns, your money grows, you become the hero. Freedom isn't a miracle, it's a choice. Ready to defeat DebtZilla? Like, subscribe, and start your journey. Click here for the next mission. Saving with Penny the Planner.